welcome back. In today's video, we're going to make this neat little thing using things that we already have in our kitchen to make our house smell amazing. It don't take much, and these make great little gifts. I'm going to show you how you can put it in these little gift bags and make this perfect for a little gift for under $5. Okay, to use this is the directions on this little card. It says to cut your orange up, add everything to one pot that we're fixing to make in our little bag, and you'll add 2 cups of water and let it simmer on low. You can let this simmer all morning while you're having Christmas or even in all day, and add a little extra water to it if it starts to give out of the water. Just keep it on a real low simmer, and your house or your friend's house that you're going to give this to will smell amazing. I've had this before, and I've even got another video where I showed using it one morning. But we're going to show you in today's video how to make this neat little gift that you can give somebody using probably what you already have in your pantry, like a cinnamon stick, and make this for somebody for a easy little budget-friendly gift. Okay, what we're going to start with first is we're going to put our orange in there, and these are just regular little oranges. And then we have a couple twigs of rosemary, and we're going to add that to it. And this is fresh rosemary. I've got 2 cinnamon sticks, and these smell so good. That'll give your kitchen the cinnamon smell. And then we're just going to add some of the cranberries. Where we've been making different recipes using cranberries, I saved a few so I could add it to some of these little bags. Whoop, I'm dropping them. Okay, just going to get our cranberries in there. And this right here is just a little simple, easy thing that you can make and not spend a lot of money to give somebody something special. And now we're going to add just a few cloves. And this is fresh cloves, and boy, do they smell good. And we'll just drop them down in the bag. It don't take many, because those have a high aroma smell. And then we're going to take our little rosemary, because I want to sort of put it up top and just pull it out a little bit. So when I tie my bag up, I want my little twig of rosemary up toward the top of it. And now we're just going to take this little card and place it over on this and make us a little bow. Just get me a little knot tied in it. And there you go. We have a perfect little bag to give somebody so they can make their house smell good by following these directions. You see, you got your little orange and your cinnamon stick, your cranberries. So if you're looking for that perfect little gift that don't cost a lot, you might want to try this idea to take for someone when you go over to eat dinner. They could put this on their stove while you're all eating and make their house smell just like Christmas morning. Or you can use it yourself and make your own house smell good by using this recipe. You can also use this and make centerpieces for your table for Christmas morning by just adding a candle. Let me show you how. How to make a centerpiece for your table with just what you have on hand. A mason jar almost filled with water. Add whatever kind of fruit you have. Spices. These are some old cinnamon sticks that I have that I'm going to use. Cranberries that were left over from Thanksgiving. Drop a tea candle in. Let's see, I'll add it right in there and let it float. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all like our little video on how to make these little stovetop potpourri Merry Christmas bags. I hope y'all give this a try, and if you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.